In a world that's constantly demanding, rushing, and loud, inner peace can feel like a luxury. But the truth is, inner peace is not a luxury. It's a necessity for healing, clarity, and emotional strength. Many of us live in survival mode, reacting, overthinking, comparing, doubting. We wake up already tired, not just physically, but mentally, spiritually. And that's where mindfulness becomes your lifeline. What is inner peace? Inner peace isn't about escaping the world or avoiding emotions. It's the quiet strength of knowing that you are the calm within the storm. It's the space between stimulus and reaction, the silence in which you can finally hear your own truth. It doesn't mean life is perfect. It means your response to life is no longer dictated by chaos. The power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention, on purpose, in the present moment, without judgment. Teaches you to slow down, breathe, notice your thoughts without becoming them, feel your emotions without being consumed. With mindfulness, you stop chasing peace outside yourself and begin cultivating it within. Why inner peace matters for healing. Healing doesn't happen in noise. It happens in stillness. When you practice mindfulness, you create space between the pain and the person you're becoming. You begin to understand that your trauma doesn't define you. Your anxiety isn't your identity. Your past isn't your prison. With inner peace, you stop fighting yourself and start listening to yourself. How to cultivate inner peace through mindfulness. Number 1. Begin your day with stillness. Before reaching for your phone, reach for your breath. Just 2 minutes of silence, intention, or gratitude can reset your nervous system. Number 2. Practice single tasking. Multitasking is not efficiency. It's emotional fragmentation. Eat with presence. Walk with awareness. Listen with full attention. Number 3. Observe, don't attach. When a negative thought or feeling arises, observe it like a passing cloud. Say to yourself, I notice I'm feeling anxious, instead of I am anxious. You are not your thoughts. You are the witness of them. Number 4. Use grounding techniques. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. Name 5 things you see, for you can touch, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste. This pulls you back into the now. Number 5. End the day with release. Don't carry unresolved energy to sleep. Journaling, deep breathing, or a short meditation can help release tension and restore inner stillness. Final thought. Peace isn't something you find. It's something you choose, moment by moment, breath by breath. You don't have to fix everything today. You don't have to be everything for everyone. You just have to be here. And be gentle with yourself. In that gentleness, healing begins. And in that healing, you come home to yourself. Be prosperous and share happiness.